Did you know? The lines on your palm, it just be the key to unlocking your financial future. Join us as we decode the secrets held within our palm lines and discover how this ancient art can provide practical insights into creating the future we desire. Palmistry, or chiromancy, an ancient practice that combines elements of astrology and psychology to reveal our character, aspirations, and hidden potentials. Today, we're not just casual observers, we're seekers of the arcane secrets of wealth and success that are etched into our palms. Palmistry has captivated human imagination for thousands of years, originating in ancient India and evolving across cultures. This sophisticated discipline offers more than predictions. It provides a deep understanding of our behaviors and life patterns. The lines on our hands, formed by the same forces that shape our characters, are dynamic maps of potential, not fate. They change as we do, influenced by our thoughts, actions, and feelings. Many dismiss palmistry as mere superstition, yet it has been a revered art across continents, offering insights that lead to significant personal revelations and life changes. It invites us to explore a symbolic language of self-awareness, encouraging us to reflect on our choices and the paths we follow. Palmistry empowers us to craft our future rather than passively predict it. It's a tool for active engagement, helping us steer our lives toward desired outcomes by making conscious choices that align with our deepest values. This practice is not about determining an unchangeable fate, but about using our understanding of inherent energies to influence our destinies actively. Now, let's delve deeper into the specific lines that are traditionally linked to wealth and success. As we turn our attention to the palm, two lines, in particular, stand out due to their association with prosperity and personal achievement. The first is the fate line, a compelling vertical line that travels from the wrist up towards the middle finger. This line is often viewed as a marker of how strongly an individual is driven towards their life's objectives. A clear, deep fate line is commonly interpreted as a sign of a well-defined sense of direction and purpose in life. Those with a prominent fate line are thought to possess the clarity and determination needed to pursue their goals relentlessly, qualities that are frequently linked to achieving notable success and accumulating wealth. Adjacent to the fate line, we find the money line, which is not always present in everyone's hands. Running from the base of the thumb down toward the wrist, this line is said to reflect an individual's acumen for accumulating wealth and managing financial matters. A pronounced and unbroken money line suggests a natural proficiency for making and maintaining wealth, indicating a life of financial comfort and security. While the fate line and money line are pivotal, they are part of a larger network of lines that speak to our economic fortunes and personal drives. The fate line offers insights into our life's purpose and our approach to achieving our goals, while the money line more directly reflects our handling of financial matters and our mindset towards material accumulation. However, it's crucial to remember that these lines do not seal our fate. They are not definitive markers of wealth and success, but rather indicators of potential and tendencies. The presence of these lines suggests areas where we may naturally excel, yet our ultimate success hinges on how effectively we harness these energies and talents. Palmistry serves not as a crystal ball for wealth, but as a reflective tool, prompting introspection and guiding us towards personal growth and better decision-making. In palmistry, every line tells a part of our story, yet it is our actions and choices that truly shape the narrative. It offers us a unique perspective on our innate potentials and challenges, providing a blueprint that, when understood, can be used to craft the very future we aspire to. One of the most compelling insights from palmistry is the notion that our hand lines are not static. They can change over time. This dynamic aspect of palmistry reflects a fundamental truth about human nature. We are constantly evolving. Our thoughts, feelings, and actions influence the energy that flows through us, shaping our lives day by day. This means that the lines on our palms, which many believe to be mere imprints of fate, are actually dynamic maps that evolve as we do. The idea that we can influence our life's trajectory through conscious effort is incredibly empowering. If we find ourselves in less than ideal circumstances, it's reassuring to know that we have the power to change not only our situation, but also the very lines on our palms that reflect our life's path. By focusing on improving our mindset, adopting healthier habits, and making more aligned behavioral choices, we can literally redraw the map of our lives. This transformation can be seen both metaphorically in our actions and physically in the evolving lines of our hands. Consider the hands of many self-made billionaires and successful entrepreneurs. Studies and observations have shown that many of these individuals share common characteristics in their hand shapes and line patterns. These shared features often include strong, clear fate lines and well-defined money lines, which might suggest a natural predisposition toward leadership, resilience, and financial acumen. But more importantly, these patterns reflect the energy and drive that fuel their decisions and actions. This isn't to say that having a certain hand shape or line pattern will guarantee success. Palmistry invites us to understand the underlying energies and patterns that drive our behaviors. Knowing which traits are signified by our palms can guide us in cultivating the strengths and mitigating the weaknesses that the lines suggest. By interpreting these signs, we gain insights into how best to direct our efforts and energies. It's not about resigning ourselves to a predestined fate written in the lines of our hands. It's about engaging actively with those lines to forge the future we desire. In this way, palmistry is not just a tool for prediction, it's a tool for transformation, providing a unique and personalized roadmap for personal and professional success. As we wrap up our discussion, it's clear that understanding the lines on our hands can serve as a powerful tool for introspection. By interpreting these lines, we can uncover valuable insights into our strengths, weaknesses, and the myriad possibilities that lie before us. This knowledge isn't about predicting the future or controlling destiny. It's about empowering ourselves to make more informed, conscious decisions that align with our deepest goals and values. In conclusion, the true value of palmistry lies in its ability to help us understand the fabric of our beings and the patterns of our lives. It invites us to engage actively with our personal narratives, helping us to steer our lives toward the outcomes we aspire to achieve. Whether you seek to enhance your self-awareness, improve your personal relationships, or align more closely with your career aspirations, the ancient art of palmistry offers a unique and enriching perspective that can guide your journey. So, what do you think about the intriguing connections between palmistry and wealth? Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or new to the concept, I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Have you ever had your palms read? Did the insights surprise you? Or perhaps confirm what you already suspected about your path to success and prosperity? Share your stories in the comments below. I'm eager to read about your encounters with this ancient art. If today's exploration has sparked your curiosity, and you're keen to dive deeper into the realms of self-improvement and personal finance, you won't want to miss what's coming up next. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, where we'll continue to explore fascinating ways to enhance your life and maximize your potential. Thank you so much for joining me today. Your interest and engagement are what make these discussions so rich and rewarding. I look forward to continuing our journey together in the next video. Until then, keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, the secrets to your future may just be in the palm of your hand. See you in the next one.